Vivo doesn't shy away from making gorgeous and beautiful looking smartphones while still keeping the price affordable. With me is the vivo V40 Lite, the latest mid-range smartphone. And this is our review. Before we begin this review, the V40 Lite comes in a neat black box, and inside is the paperwork, a transparent back case, SIM ejector tool, an 80-watt charging brick, and a Type-C cable. The phone comes with a pre-applied plastic screen protector. This is a very attractive phone that boasts elegance and craftsmanship from the rear panel to the frame to the screen. You'll notice it has a new camera island in the shape of a cushion-cut diamond hosting the dual camera setup and the AI Aura Light. This is the first in the V Lite series to support the Aura Light, which is usually seen on the main V series, and is an improvement from the V30 Lite from early this year that didn't have this feature. Our unit comes in titanium silver, but you can get yours in emerald green. The titanium version looks bold and premium. It is made of fluorite AG glass, which when hit with light turns to beautiful purple-like hues, especially when you're outside. It also has a diamond starry texture feel to it when light hits at certain angles. These two features make the phone look stylish and elegant. Vivo also include a neat feature that lets the phone light around the back bezels when you get a notification, which is handy when you're in a dark place. The V40 Lite's ultra slim design is welcome and makes the phone comfortable to hold and easy to carry at 190 grams. The phone comes with IP64 dust and water resistance, which is higher than the IP54 rating of its predecessor. Another thing to note is that even with wet hands, you can still operate the phone's screen. It has a metallic high gloss frame, which at the bottom has the hybrid dual SIM slot, microphone, Type-C charging port, and bottom speaker. At the top is just a secondary microphone. The right side has the volume rockers and power button. Coming to the front is a 6.67-inch AMOLED screen, sporting a 120Hz refresh rate and 1800 nits peak brightness. The display is really good, especially for consuming multimedia content, browsing the internet, or scrolling social media and playing games. It has good viewing angles and is bright outdoors. The dual speaker setup with the earpiece now gives you up to 10% more volume and offers you 360-degree music immersion. Vivo says you can even play up to 90% lossless sound music with the V40 Lite on your downloaded songs. Overall, your multimedia needs will be served well with the Vivo V40 Lite. You also get a responsive in-display fingerprint reader for quick and fast unlocking of your phone. Inside the phone is a Snapdragon 685 chipset with 8GB onboard RAM and 8GB virtual RAM with 256GB storage. The phone comes running Android 14 and FunTouch OS 14. It is set to get up to 2 years of software support, including 2 major Android OS upgrades and monthly security updates. The V40 Lite delivers smooth performance and effortless multitasking thanks to its robust processor and ample RAM. Keeping the lights on is a 5000 mAh battery that supports up to 80-watt flash charge fast charging. The battery will last you 4 years or 1600 charging cycles. The phone charges really quickly and you can get to 45% in 15 minutes. Once fully charged, the phone can give you a day and a half of charge with light to moderate use. Most days with my heavy multitasking, I ended up with 25% to 30%, enough charge for late night scrolling and binge watching. V40 Lite comes equipped with a 32-megapixel selfie camera, a 50-megapixel primary camera, and a 2-megapixel depth camera. Both cameras shoot 1080p video at 30 fps. The AI Aura Light mentioned above can automatically adjust the brightness from warm to cold and provides even and moderate lighting with its 360-degree uniform lighting and 3D filling light, features that are only available in the main V40. Modes to play around with include night, portrait, video, 50-megapixel mode, slow-mo, dual view, and more. Vivo includes neat features in the gallery app such as the eye eraser to remove people or objects from a shot you've taken. Pictures come out with really good detail and sharpness, not only in good light but also in low-light scenarios. I am continuously being amazed at how Vivo continues to push its camera-centric V lineup. The V40 Lite combines very sleek design, vibrant AMOLED display, more than dependable cameras, high-performing software and chipset, long battery life, and ultra-fast charging. The V40 Lite should be on your list if you're in the market to upgrade. Pricing and availability details will be linked below. Like, share, and subscribe for more.